Hi guys, today I am here with my friend. She is more than my friend. She's my family, my sister. She helped me every time. Study, help. Yes.
Yeah, so my name is Anita and I am her best friend. And it's been 2 years since she's with me right now. So yeah, I'm gonna tell about her journey, what all she had and how she overcome it. Yeah, so first of all, she came here last year when we were in first year. Right now we are second year. Very proud to say that we are second year. So first year that time when she came here, she does not know anything about India, Kerala, nothing. So she only knows us about this Rajagiri, but she wasn't very aware of Rajagiri. Okay, so Rajagiri is like a very nice college. We are very happy to study in Rajagiri. The courses over there are also good, and um, the teachers over here are very helpful. So very happy to study here at Rajagiri. So that time when she came here, she wasn't aware of anything, anyone over here. She was like very, like she was, for us, she was a stranger, and for her, we were a stranger. So yeah, it was like a very big journey where she was having a lot of difficulties with her English. She wasn't very much aware of English. She only knows uh, her home country language, which was Portuguese. Yeah, and it was very hard, when you don't know English and when you're coming to a college where English is must. It's very hard. So
In English and Malayalam.
yeah, English and Malayalam. That's true. But mostly we speak is Malayalam. But yeah, English is there in our college. We keep it. So then, when she came here, she was having a lot of health issues. I guess due to the India's climate, or Kerala's climate, she couldn't adapt to this, uh, this place, this climate, and she was like very weak when she came. She was like very much, she always feel very sick. Always, she would have missed classes, and I also remember she's getting donations also. So yeah, so it's like when she is sick, it happens. It's not our fault, right? So she was like having a lot of health issues. She was mentally down, all those stuff. And for her, English was so hard for her. She's like, when I ask her what's your name, she'll be like, oh, my name is Vini. How are you? She'll be like, what is, how are you? It's like that. So
You
it was like
like
that. But right now, she has improved a lot. Okay. So she has right now improved very much. She's like she right now understands English, right?
right.
Yeah, she knows a bit more advanced than in first year. I won't say that she's very much perfect, but she understands English, and I'm very happy for her growth. And there are a lot of ups and downs for her family. She's like not very, you know, we know, right? Places from Africa, the peoples are not very much, very much rich or something. So she was like very cute, good girl. Yeah. So then, yeah. So it was like very big journey for her, and there are a lot more to explore. I guess you will be there with us for next year also.
Yeah.
Next year, it's a last year. So then I don't know then when we can see. Yeah, so this is the memories that we create. Yeah, so then she then in the second year she came back very much stronger. She is right now overcoming all of the things right now. She is healthy right now, very happy, not at all depressed, and she is a rising star. Actually, she is like what like first year when I saw her, she was like very weak. But right now, there are a lot of difference that came on her when she's second year, and that's very big proud moment for me as her best friend. It's like a very proud moment, feeling yeah my best friend is healthy, happy today. To be honest, today I took her. She was looking at her Fedina. Fedina is like an app where you see your attendance. That is what Fedina is. So when she opened a Fedina, usually when she was in first year, she could have only had one digit or maximum around 20s, 30s her attendance was. But right now, to be honest, today she was having everything above 80s. And I'm very happy about that. And she's like very happy. She was like, oh, I am happy. I got this much. Yeah, I'm very happy for her. So this is her life, and the most helpful part for me was the teachers. They were also there with her, helping her for everything, like for studies, for for everything. They were there, especially our first year teacher Anju ma'am. She was there as a supporter. She was like something for us. Not like, she was not a ma'am for us. She was like more than a mother. Like she was like so caring. When I told her that when Winnie is down, ma'am will be like, oh, where is Winnie? I want to see her. Let me talk with her. She'll be like that, and she's so good. She's like, she motivates her to be because maybe because of her motivation, she's right now sitting here, and I'm very proud of ma'am. Like, she's like a pillar for us. Like, she always supports her for everything. She's like, yeah, some people, they are like a supporter for us, and she is one of them. And yeah, the teachers over here, they also helped her in her English, especially our English teacher. She was like there, always helping her in English, teaching her new words, everything. And yeah, very happy to, work, like, to be here in this Rajagiri college. It's like a plus point and a grateful moment. Yeah, so that's it. I would like to say about education and of Vinny's development. So yeah, Rajagiri is like a good place where
No
you'll get,
complaints.
yeah, like you can get a lot of abroad international kids like this, and like only issue is that they don't know English very well. Like they have to learn. That's the only things that I felt. But teachers over here, with their support, we can build this up. With them, maybe with their support, she's right now speaking bit more English, than when I was in first year. When I tell her something in English, she'll be like, I didn't get it. But in second year, when I tell her, she's like, yeah, I got it. You mean this, right? So it's like that. Very happy to be with her and to talk with her today in this video. So yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.